Hello everyone, and welcome to today's TEMS Investigation tutorial. In this session, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of scripting and testing a network connection using a Samsung S20 device. We'll also cover crucial USB settings for a seamless connection. Let's dive in. To begin, connect your Samsung S20 to TEMS Investigation using a USB cable. Ensure the cable is properly connected to both the phone and your computer. Now, let's configure the USB settings on your Samsung S20. Dial *#0808# on your phone's keypad. This will open the USB settings menu. From here, select RNDIS plus DM plus modem plus ADB from the list of options. This setting ensures a stable and reliable connection. In TEMS Investigation, expand the IP node in the activity pane. Add a network connect activity to your script. In the configuration property, select either NDIS or Best Available. For this demonstration, we'll choose Best Available. Leave all other configurations as they are for now. Now, let's test the network connection. Save your script and run it. You'll see TEMS Investigation establishing the data service connection on your Samsung S20 device. And there you have it. You've successfully scripted and tested a network connection with a Samsung S20 on TEMS Investigation. Remember to adjust your configurations as needed for different scenarios. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TEMS investigation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.